How to carry forward net operating loss with FreeTaxUSA. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now at the top you will see the search box. Over there type in freetaxusa.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of FreeTaxUSA. Now at the top right corner you will find the option of sign in. Click on it. You will land to the login page. Now over here you have to provide your credentials. Type in your username and then type in your password. In the case you have forgotten password or username, click on this option to recover it. Once you fill this, click on sign in. If you haven't created your account yet, click on this option and register for your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section of your tax return where you can report your net operating loss. This is typically found in the section related to business income and deductions. Enter the details of your net operating loss in the appropriate fields. FreeTaxUSA should provide clear prompts or questions to guide you through this process. Ensure that you accurately report all relevant information regarding the loss. Within the software, there should be an option to indicate that you want to carry forward the net operating loss to future tax years. This might be labeled as carry forward annual or something similar. Select the option. FreeTaxUSA may prompt you to provide additional details or verify certain information related to the annual carry forward. Follow these prompts carefully to ensure accuracy. Before finalizing your tax return, review the information you have entered regarding the annual and its carry forward. Confirm that everything is correct and accurately reflects your financial situation. Once you are satisfied that your tax return is complete and accurate, proceed with filing it through FreeTaxUSA. Follow the platform's instructions for filing your return electronically. After filing, make sure to keep documentation related to your net operating loss and its carry forward for your records. This can include any forms or schedules generated by FreeTaxUSA, as well as supporting documentation you use to calculate the annual. By following these steps, you will be able to accurately report and carry forward your net operating loss to future tax years. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.